Look at this awesome thing. It's a replication of a Strasburg railroad car with little passengers inside. The car is the Paradise is the name of the car, as is written on the side as well. But this was a cool random passenger car that I received an email about from Atlas, O-Gauge. Let's see. It's one of their 70-foot heavyweight observation cars, the Paradise. I think it's uncatalogued, but it's available at Nicholas Smith Trains. You can do a quick Google search. They're cool and reputable, but I think it's exclusive to them, but it's kind of hidden to even find. If you type in Strasburg Paradise, I'm sure you'll get to it. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at this thing. It's sort of cool. It's got pretty decent detail on the back. Little tail lights, if you will. And then it's pretty well, obviously decorated, which is appropriate for Christmas. But as you can see inside, they have passengers and so on glued into the seats, which is kind of cool as well. And then, of course, the other end, then you've got the diaphragm between cars and some of the usual stuff, I guess, for a passenger car. I don't know, some people are into seeing what kind of, they're called trucks, but the wheels to some folk on the train. It's probably a really crummy shot, but anyway, that's that. O-Gauge Atlas Strasburg Railroad Paradise car with Christmas lights on it. I don't think it's catalog, and it's Nicholas Smith's Trains, and this isn't a promotion, it's just, that's where you get it. Has them, and they're just kind of cool. If that's your jam for Christmas cars, or just, I kind of lean toward just cars that are a bit unusual. And I will pipe down now and let you enjoy the garage layout a bit. As would be. There goes Santa on the North Pole Express, and he's going to hop off and probably switch out his engine for some of these beer cars. Kick back, you know what I mean? These are a lot of Menard's buildings too that grew from a temporary garage layout during pandemic into a, I guess, one of the more permanent side in the garage, since seem to be in it for the long haul. Oh, and for anybody who watches my stuff on the rigs, as an update, here's where I ended up putting that Menard's War of the Worlds thing. Of course, the Ghostbusters are on the scene, as well as the fire department, apparently. But it does have this little button with it. When you hit it, it's kind of cool when the tank moves. And then, as I had shown in the previous video, you got the Martians and the dog barking at him, and then you got the Jeep being sucked up into the UFO. That's that.